Hey guys, so I'm out and about this morning. I gotta go to Menards and I also gotta go to Lowe's. I gotta grab a couple of things, some potting mix, some trellises, maybe I just need one. I don't know, I'll decide when I'm there. And I gotta find a couple of petunias or silver petunias or something like that that I can have for the front of the house. So let's go and see what else we can find. I got so many oleums, you guys. So now that I finally got all my tulips cleaned out, I can concentrate on what's next. So if you guys notice in this bed, I have David Aston roses around my statue here. I have two here, one over here and one over here. They are not David Aston and they did not make it. So what I'm going to do super carefully is that I'm going to dig this out, and I have two on another side of my garden. I'm going to dig those out and I'm going to move them here. I might have to sacrifice a couple of these oleums, but that's okay. These amazing oleums, I planted them last year. I don't know if you guys remember that video, but every single one of them came out and they're gorgeous. Just beautiful. All right. Almost in one piece. Okay. I don't know if you can see me, but this is the rose that I am moving. One of the roses that I am moving to the other side. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to trim it or prune it a little bit, just so that I can manage it. And yes, I am going to be losing a few blooms, unfortunately, but it's going to be okay. I'm just going to try to get weeds and all moved to the other side. There is some pipe coming through here, I just know it. Okay. Just going to take the whole thing with me like this. Okay, there is really no easy way when I have all these oleums around. Oh, sorry, bud. Oh well, it's gonna be compost. Can't even move. Okay. Ow. So I got the two roses in. One of them had a great root system. The other one, not so much. I'm hoping that they both make it. I think they will. So I clean out the tulips, you guys. Let me mention a little bit about the tulips. The ones that you saw me cleaning around, I want to try to leave those for next year. So basically what I have to do is that I just have to come in and cut the stem all the way to the bottom, not the leaves, just the stem all the way where I can reach. That way they look a little bit more clean, and you know, like the area is just a little bit nicer. And what I have to do is that I have to let the foliage die on their own. That way they absorb all the energy that they need to bloom next year. Not all tulips bloom the same way for a second or third or fourth year. Some varieties are better than others, so I'm just going to give these ones a chance. These ones and the ones over there by my water fountain. There are some areas in my garden where I just had tulips for the second or third year, and I'm done with them, and I just dug out all the bulbs and everything with the plant, so that this fall I can plant new ones. But these ones will stay here until they are done, and then when the foliage is brown and dead and everything, I will come and clean it up, and then just try to maybe add some more mulch, or I don't know, whatever I'll do here. I think that this bed is fine just with the roses and everything that I have going on. I did plant a few things up there on the container that my little lady is holding, and we'll see how they do. So that's all I have for today, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I can't believe we are at 6,000 subscribers as of this morning when I'm making this video. thank you. Thank you for that. I really appreciate you guys being here, and I enjoy watching your comments, and you know, thank you.